welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look at how you can turn off push notification on TikTok. So let's get started. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn off all the notification, all the push notification on TikTok. So first, all you need to do is to go on TikTok, and once you're done, you will see interface like this. Simply click on the profile on the top right corner and click on settings. You will see option of setting, and you will see a lot of different options like manage account, privacy, and push notification. Once you click over that, you will see option over there, it's notifications, and that allow in browser to turn it off. You can simply turn it off over here. And if you want to do, you can if you want to turn on your comments, your likes, and your followers, you will see the option. You'll see option interaction. Just simply click it over there. You will see likes, comments, new follower, mention, and tag. You can turn off whatever you need, whatever you want. You can turn off all these options according to your criteria. So this is how you can you can turn off the push notification, and turn off the like, comments, and new follower inbox notifications. And this is how you can do that. So if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you so much.